Hello, my name is Agathe Carpentier. I've been working at Hionos as a flight control engineer for a year and a half. I'm an aerospace engineer graduate specialized in flight control and navigation topics. I've lived in 5 different countries around the world, and I was previously working in flight dynamics for the European Space Agency. I will be talking about how Pulsar Factory can be useful to develop functional components in an efficient way. For example, how useful it can be to develop a tailored flight control algorithm. Pulsar Factory can be used as a prototyping tool for people who are in the early stage of developing an innovative unmanned air vehicle. With a specific frame, they will need a specific flight control and will therefore need to iterate quickly between flight tests and algorithm development. Pulsar Factory is a set of tools that includes pre-existing components whose interfaces and responsibilities are fixed. People generally need to modify 1 or 2 components, and this can be done very easily in a prototyping way if they respect the inputs and outputs. Proceeding in this way will allow them to integrate the modification, compile them, flash them, and test them in flight very easily. This feature will be particularly useful for flight control engineers, for example, or people who are working on complex components that have a strong impact on flight performance. Developing those components under MATLAB or Simulink, for example, and using Pulsar Factory as a prototyping tool will prove itself a strong asset in daily activities. Using Pulsar Factory in this way will prove itself to be both a gain of time and also an increase in the quality of the work produced. It will be a gain of time because by testing often, the development will go quicker. And also by testing often, possible faults will be detected much sooner. Furthermore, pre-existing components will not need to be redeveloped from scratch and can be adapted to fit into Pulsar Factory. Hionos is currently working with a company that is developing a large drone who will take off vertically, rotate in flight, and then have a horizontal flight. This is a very tricky challenge for flight control, as it is very hard to model and simulate. Flight tests are crucial in this kind of development, and this company has been working using Pulsar Factory and testing in flight every time they were making a change to their flight control algorithm. Pulsar Factory does not only help you use high-quality development standards, it can also bring you a lot of agility and gain of time.